Hi y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make brownie pudding. You know, what's better than brownies? Brownie pudding. For this, I have flour, sugar, cocoa powder, some chocolate chips, some salt, 4 eggs, and 2 sticks of butter. First things first, we're going to go ahead, get our butter melted. We're just going to go throw it in the microwave in a microwave safe dish, and then we're going to start with our eggs. So let's do that. Alright y'all, so in our bowl we're going to take our 4 eggs. Okay, so now we got our 4 eggs. We're going to take 2 cups of granulated sugar. Dump that in. Now we're just going to take our mixer. And we're going to mix this on a high speed for about 7 to 10 minutes. We need to get these eggs really light, fluffy, and airy. So let's do that. Alright y'all, so now to our eggs. We've got half a cup of our cocoa powder. We're going to take 3/4 of a cup of our flour, half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're just going to go ahead and get this mixed up. Once we get the all that mixed in, take our 2 sticks of melted butter, dump that in. We're gonna get that mixed in well, so let's do that. Alright, now we got that mixed in. We got 16 ounces of our semi-sweet chocolate chips. Let's go ahead. Dump that in. Now we're just going to hand mix this in. You never electric mix candy in because you'll break up the candy. Now I'm going to bring over our baking dish. Alright y'all, so we have our baking dish. It's pre-greased. We're going to go ahead and take our brownie batter, dump that in. Alright, so once our batter is in our dish, we're just going to go ahead, spread it out evenly. And we have our oven preheated at 300 degrees, and we're going to go ahead and throw this in there for about an hour. So at that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so it's been in the oven for about an hour. We've got a nice brownie top, but when we take our spoon, there it is, a pudding underneath. Look at that, all that nice and gooiness. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit a like and subscribe button. And if you want to see anything cooked on this channel, go ahead, leave a comment below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.